In this video, I will show you how you can find deleted apps on any iPhone. Now, if you have deleted any app on your iPhone, for example, I will delete the YouTube app. Now, to find all the deleted apps, just open App Store, then tap on your profile icon. And from here, just tap on Apps and Purchase History. On this page, just select your apps. And as you can see, these are all the apps which you have downloaded. Now, to find the deleted apps, just select Not on this iPhone. And over here, you will find all the deleted apps on your iPhone. But just remember, to find your deleted app in this list, the deleted app must be downloaded using your same Apple ID. Now, for example, if you have installed any app using another Apple ID, and then later after you have changed your Apple ID, if you have deleted the selected app, it will not be shown in this list. The apps shown in this list must be installed using the same Apple ID. Now, if you want to install any of the deleted apps, just tap on the cloud icon over here. And after you do that, you will install the app back on your iPhone. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.